Hey everyone, Les here from BG Trading. Hope you're well. Today is Monday, 9th of August 2021, and we're going to once again analyze another lithium stock. Today, Piedmont Lithium, which the SX code is PLL. This is a stock that had done incredible growth in its share price over the last 12 months. However, it had underperformed last week's rally on lithium. And we want to check why that happened and whether this could be potentially another good opportunity to enter at technically cheap price. So let's have a look. I just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice. It's just us from BG Trading sharing with you how we apply strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks. How we use the KPIs of our strategy, BGS20 and BGS trading strategies, to know whether we have enough information that could be share price sensitive and could trigger another rally. How we know whether we're not FOMO, how we set up targets, and much more, all in this channel for you for free. Because we are also trade, we have skin on the game, so we love sharing our information as well. Now, if you like the way we trade, please subscribe our channel and share this video with someone that you believe could be adding value to. If you disagree with our strategy, please put that on a comment below. Even hit the dislike button if you want. That's fine. It's all about transparency in this place. So now let's have a look what's happening with this company. By the way, we also have a free Facebook group, Buy, Grow, Sell Strategy for Share Traders. In this group, I'm going to be putting the link that leads to today's analysis on our website. It's also free. All you need to do is just make sure you answer our questions. Otherwise, the team will reject you. But it will be very interesting, this analysis today. So the market still haven't opened. It's about 9:30 by the time I record in this video. I don't know what's going to happen after, but we'll be following that. Now, this company, Piedmont, let's jump into our analysis actually. This is another speculative stock because the company is still not generating revenue, and then they still sort of into the investment phase, but has very interesting projects, and I'm going to jump straight into, and obviously also had very compelling achievements throughout 2021, and that's what made the share price a rally through the year, as you can see here. Okay, as you can see here, the share price had rallied about 700% from what was just before this lithium starting to come in place, lithium demand, battery day, and all these related stocks, and now and today, and look at this. It is an interesting information here. We're gonna analyze that very shortly. At the moment, we're going to be actually looking at what's happening with the company. Now, the company has, obviously this is a lithium market outlook, and I love the way every single company on the sector puts the same sort of forecast, EV penetration and everything. It's no doubt that is going to be a massive demand. Now, like anything, things doesn't go straight up in line. So you got to make sure you enter the right time. And a lot of the stocks that we entered last week, which by the way, we cut some really good profits in, which is, look, we've been doing great trades with these stocks, but you got to be mindful that people will take profit. And when they take profit, those stocks, especially those speculative gigs, they're going to come out 40, sometimes even 50% from the top of the range. So what you need to do is you got to make sure you never stay on the top. You just got to get out and buy it again, unless you pick up a couple of the best ones and put in a portfolio and just look at a couple of years from now, assuming the finances and the company actually managed to develop the projects as they had initially intended to. So now this company has three main projects: Caroline Lithium, also Sayona Cab, which if you holding Sayona Mining, or if you have two main trades in Sayona Mining, you know that the company had been bought out 30% by this play, Piedmont Lithium. So so obviously Sayona Mining is a very interesting speculative stock because that Cabot project, and this company also holds 39.6% of economic interest of this project, besides the 30% of the company itself. Now, Ghana Lithium project as well, 50% of this project. What's happening here with this stock, and let's understand now why this company has underperformed last week's rally. As you can see, it's still trading on the SMA, and that's what's to do because this thing here, the company has actually having problems with the community in Galveston County, which is a North Carolina project, and this is what actually led to this massive crash here on the share price. Okay, and then now there's a dispute, and then there's a 35% crash, by the way. That's quite a compelling crash, quite a big crash. So what's happening is now, if the outcome of this dispute is positive for the company, and we've seen a lot of a similar situation, which the government obviously backed up the company for the fact. All comes down to economic facts, and then the fact is will be generating income, jobs, and everything for the community. So I'm very confident. Look, and this is my thoughts really. I'm confident that could be a positive outcome for the company. If that happens, then we need to watch within the incoming weeks and months just to see how this thing plays out. And I have actually put the nature of the problem. There's a video here from YouTube. So just make sure if you go to analysis, you understand exactly what the problem is happening in this company, and that's what actually holding the share price at the current levels and hadn't let the share price to jump to all times high again. Now, going to this, then take a look, guys. Take a look on this video. It's very interesting. And if you're going to invest, you're going to trade this, you got to make sure you understand every single aspect of the company. Now, putting our indicators, just checking out. So as you can see here, this is why this look attractive for us, is because obviously after this 35% drop in the share price, the stocks now, it's a company that holds really good projects, and also the share price now is trading at under SMA. Remember, our strategy always say that if you have a company that has a good prospect, positive prospect, and it's growing, you want to be buying there, but also always under SMA or at the SMA. And that's exactly what you're having here, okay, guys? Exactly what we're having. Besides that, we have yesterday, like on Friday, we had a bullish intersection level 2 here, which is this square. You see this square? What is bullish intersection level 2? If you don't know, if you're new on this channel, bullish intersection level 2 is when the candle crosses the yellow line. I'm going to increase the pixels of the yellow line, by the way, so just you understand. So the candles crossing the yellow line, and then trading above the yellow line, and that's when you want to hold position. You see, that's what happening here. If you have a held position in this bullish intersection level 2, you could have made 20%, easily 20%. So that's what we aim for those stocks, like for BGS 20 strategy. So now let's. Another thing is going to happen, potentially going to happen today. It's set to open at 80 cents, but I don't know. By the time I'm going to publish this video, the market will be opened already. Okay, I should have a wait, but I'm very excited to share this. So I didn't want to wait. So potentially, if you have another green candle, we have a bullish intersection level 1, and that's again another confirmation. And if you have a bigger, higher volume today, there will be happy days, green flag for a potential rally in this stock. So we obviously have targets and stop loss. You got to make sure you have stop loss. You can aim for 20%, 30%. So just make sure if you're going to seize a position, your closing position is under this top level here, just to make sure you caught profit, and then you lock in a good profit, and then you can jump again later on or something, or just hold the stock forever if you believe the company will manage to develop the product. Now, stop loss is always a must, so it's always set a stop loss under this last candle here, just to make sure you cover, you protect your capital as well, because you never know what's happening with these micro cap companies. Although the lithium rally has done incredible well last week. Now I'm not very confident that we'll continue to have a massive rally like we had last week. Okay, so maybe a lot of people will be taking profit this week. So just watch out on these lithium stocks. Okay, if you made profits, what we have done, we actually lock in profits, and that we're potentially going to be looking at re-entering in some of the good stocks once again when we have at the right time. Even now, if it goes another 50% up, we don't care. We already made money, so happy days. Guys, this was my taking on Piedmont Lithium. Hope you guys enjoyed. I think this is an opportunity to enter, but it really gonna leave up to you guys whether you want to do that or not. I'll see you in the next video. The week just starting. We have an exciting week ahead. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS 20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.